This is the fastest that I have ever cleaned my workshop. Okay, all kidding aside, I was just testing out a new toy that I got, something I used to shoot some of my videos. And the thing is, I had to prep and get ready for this video, which probably took about a half hour. And then I cleaned my workshop, which was like a half hour, 45 minutes. So it really was the fastest I had ever cleaned my workshop. See you guys next time. I've got good things coming up. Looking forward to doing the next video and showing you guys what's going on. Bye.